Hey there, this is Kristen with LoveLiveTahoe, Dudum Sierra Properties and Sunbear Realty. Another edition of On the Spot. Today we are talking with Bryan Wallpe, who is a mortgage loan consultant and lender. How are you doing today?
Doing fabulous, thank you.
Awesome. So tell us a little bit about you and your business and services that you offer.
Great. So I have been in this business as a mortgage lender for, it'll be 30 years coming up next year. So been in this a long time, do residential lending. So primarily, licensed in Nevada and California, but we can actually do loans in other states as well.
Okay.
So we do all things Lake Tahoe. And we're basically a full service mortgage bank, which means we are a direct seller on the conforming loans, on loans that are $548,000 and below. We do those right to Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. Then on our jumbo products, we have a number of investors that we use, and we underwrite everything and fund everything in-house.
Very cool.
Yeah.
You do just straight up conventional loans as well?
Yes. Yeah.
Awesome.
It's probably 80% of our business, and then we have FHA and VA, and so we have the full spectrum of residential lending.
Perfect. Tell us a little bit about what's going on the market right now.
Yeah, the market has been pretty robust. Most people know housing prices have been sneaking up over time here, pretty aggressively actually. So we, on the lending side, what that means is because it's a seller's market, there's multiple offers quite often that we have to be really ready on the lending side for our buyers.
Very important. So what does that mean to be ready? How soon in advance? What do they need from you? Give us a rundown to make people be prepared.
Thank you. Yeah, the biggest thing is getting pre-approved if you're going to buy a place. So I like to say that as early as possible, as one of the things we do at my practice is we like to do a lot of financial planning work along with it, whether it is, hey, we're going to increase your down payment by pulling equity out of another home or looking at other opportunities, tax advantage other opportunities. Absolutely. So the planning side on that can take a little while, can take some time. So the sooner we can communicate and engage with a prospective buyer, the better. So I would like to say, it's a couple of weeks for sure.
Okay.
Before they're ready to, make an offer.
So now we know people are very emotional and they're very last minute and not planners. So if they go out there not looking to buy, but find the house of their dreams, and then call you up, how soon can you have a turnaround from them? Is that even possible?
Yeah, and it happens every week, honestly. So, I know. I get that call on Friday afternoon, and it's like, hey, we're putting an offer in tonight. Can you get me pre-approved? It really does take a little bit of time because to get pre-approved, we need a loan application completed, which you can do online. And then we need the documents, your financial documents, which can be uploaded into the system. And then we have to review all those. So certainly it is, it's a good day to, sort of get all that together. I'm finding about a day. Some people have done it a lot sooner, but what happens is someone calls me that Friday afternoon and I may have other things going on, or my team may have other things going on. So it's not like we can drop everything. So It's best to do it, if you're looking and you're starting to pay attention to, I'm going to do this, then call that lender immediately.
Yeah, reach out on your way to the house, not after the house.
Correct.
And get everything
so
lined
important
up.
Because there's also some things that, there are some things in your financial documents that we may want to wait and apply a little later. And if we have anything that's messy on credit, it might take us a while to repair that to be ready. So these things can't happen overnight. Just being prepared.
There you go.
And
Rome wasn't built in a day.
Less stressful, exactly. Like if you want to try to do everything in a 2-hour period, you're gonna be stressed. We're stressed trying to make that happen. So just better all around.
Perfect. All right. Well, thank you for that knowledge. Absolutely. Are you ready for some rapid fire questions?
I think.
Maybe.
Let's see what they are.
We're good. Favorite season?
Favorite season for me, summer.
Favorite activity?
My favorite activity, probably mountain biking.
Yeah. Favorite beach?
Sheesh. I like all the beaches on Maui.
Ah, there you go. Sunrise or sunset?
I'm a sunset guy.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Left or right?
I'm right-handed. I'm right.
Sure.
Yeah.
Whatever. Favorite color?
It's probably blue. No, I wear blue.
It's matches your eyes. Best live concert?
Woo! Best live concert. My favorite concert was a Pink Floyd concert at the Oakland Coliseum 100 years ago, and that I didn't even get into. I didn't even make it into the stadium because I didn't have a ticket. And the reason it was my favorite is the outside atmosphere at the concert. It was like a carnival. There were so many people that weren't in the show. I had one of the greatest times of my life, and we could hear it really well. And I have seen them inside, and that's a great show too.
It is. I will say as well, I was able to see Pink Floyd at Foxborough Stadium in Massachusetts years ago, obviously, and we got a flat tire on the way to the show, and then we got in, and the music was amazing. It was such a great show, so I'm with you on that.
There's a million others I'm thinking of right now, but we'll go with that. We'll go with that one.
Best vacation?
Best vacation? Probably my honeymoon in Italy was really pretty darn remarkable. So
Italy's pretty awesome.
It's a 3-weeker, and so that was great.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
Any person, dead or alive, you'd like to have dinner with?
I think it'd be kind of cool to have dinner with like the Dalai Lama or something like that.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Or Einstein. Yeah.
Favorite restaurant?
My favorite restaurant here locally is I like Bite. It's my favorite restaurant. Hope I don't get in trouble with everybody else out there. All the locals.
But Bite is amazing. There's a lot of amazing restaurants in Incline, but Bite is really, really good.
My wife loves it, so that's another reason I like it.
What is your beverage of choice?
Woo! Like an alcohol beverage?
Any beverage you want. Whatever you like.
I love water.
Okay.
But that's weak.
That's a Tahoe trend. I have to say, almost everybody I've asked that question to, their first one is water, and then there's a follow-up beverage.
I always start with water, but then I like vodka drinks.
Okay.
With a little, I like sweeter drinks too, so a little mixer in it.
There you go.
Yeah,
we're at altitude, people. When you live at altitude, you have to stay hydrated a lot. It's high desert.
Good point.
Favorite music venue in Tahoe?
I like the Crystal Bay Club, but I also like I guess it's Harvey's, the outdoor theater.
Outdoor theater?
That outdoor theater's cool.
Any outdoor theater.
Yeah.
What is the hardest part of living in Incline or Lake Tahoe?
The hardest part about living here, for me, the hardest part is snow maintenance. My particular house has a lot of snow maintenance, and so that's my least favorite thing.
Yes.
Is to shovel my decks.
Yes.
Yeah.
What is your favorite part of living here?
Oh God, just being in the outdoors. I mean, I love to play outside, and so everything that everybody hears about, that Tahoe offers, is my thing. I love the water, and then I just like exploring around. So
Get
I
outside.
just love playing outside.
Awesome. Do you have a tip of the week for people?
Tip of the week. Just be kind.
There you go.
Tip of the week. Be kind. Try to be kind.
Be kind. Everybody needs some kindness. We're in a rough place in the world right now, and we need to just have patience and have kindness. I think that's a great one.
Yeah. In fact, one of my favorite quotes, and probably why Dalai Lama came to me, is the Dalai Lama said, my religion is kindness. So,
words to live by. Perfect. Thank you so much for being here today. How can people find you?
Email address is Bryan with a Y at mortgageupside.com.
Okay.
And then my office number, 775-833-7111.
Perfect. We'll roll those in the credits for all of you. Make sure that you reach out. Get on the horse before you find the house, for sure. Just get your ducks lined up.
Key. And interest rates are still really low. I mean, they're still extremely low.
You think they're going to stay low for a little while?
I do. It's been interesting, up and down lately because there's this inflation conversation happening, but also just this morning, right? Some European countries are talking about locking down again for COVID. So that actually helped lower rates a little bit today.
Okay.
So, yeah, so it's Yeah, I don't know. I think they're going to stay kind of level for a little while.
Perfect. So get on it, people. Bryan Wallpe, Loan Mortgage Extraordinaire. Thank you so much for being here.
This has been fun.
Yeah, Kristen, Pepin, LoveLiveTahoe, Judum Sierra Properties, Sunbear Realty. Hit me up if you want to know more about the real estate market or any of the happenings and things going on. I hope you all have an amazing day and be kind to one another.
She's amazing.
Cheers.